In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello Planner. First, open Trello and head to your boards page. This is the hub where all your projects live. If you're starting from scratch, use the Create button to spin up a new board. Give it a clear name, choose the right workspace, and pick a privacy setting that fits your team. If you already have a board for your project, simply open it. Either way, you'll be working inside a board to plan your time. Inside the board, look for the Planner option along the bottom of the screen. Planner brings a calendar-style view to your work so you can see tasks by day and organize your schedule visually. Click it to open. If this is your first time, you may see a prompt or brief setup screen. Just follow what you see so Planner is enabled for the board. Before you start scheduling, connect Planner to your calendar. Choose either Google or Outlook. This connection lets Trello sync due dates and time blocks to the calendar you already use, so everything stays in one place. Select your account, approve the permissions, and confirm the correct calendar if you're offered a choice. It's a good idea to check your time zone settings in your calendar to keep times accurate. Now pick the date you want to plan. Use the navigation at the top to move between months or weeks, then click the specific day on the calendar. That opens the scheduling panel for that date. Next, set up focus time. Focus time is a dedicated block on your schedule reserved for deep work. No meetings, no distractions. Naming the block after the task you'll tackle can help you stay intentional. Many people like to pair focus sessions with a clear card or checklist from the board for extra clarity. Choose the time for that focus block. Set a start and end time that fits your energy and workload. Leave a small buffer before and after if you tend to run between meetings. You can drag to adjust later if plans change, so don't overthink it. When everything looks right, click Save. Your focus block appears on the planner calendar, and if you connect to Google or Outlook, it will also show up there. You can move it by dragging or open it to edit details at any time. That's all there is to it. Use Planner to map your day, protect your focus, and keep your tasks aligned with your real schedule.